last concert with me, obviously, which is very sad. They've done a very, very good job and have become very good musicians, and I'm very proud of them. So we're excited to show you what we've done. They got to pick songs that they've sung in their past to sing again. They voted on them. So there are 3 songs that they've voted on to sing again, and then a few new ones, and then I have a few awards to give out, and then that will be it. So here is the first song they voted on again, which is called Gallop, and it is just solfege syllables, do, re, mi, it's no words. So here we go.
Peace,